Hey friends, if you wish to fix SecurityHealthSystray bad image error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before moving further, I want to set the expectations right. This is a very serious error and the main solution will be a cloud reset. But still, prior to that, we will try two more solutions. So the first solution is a check the scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the scan. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be a cloud reset. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, scroll down and then select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, wait, select cloud download. Why are we selecting cloud download? Because the local image, the local copy of Windows 11 on your system has become corrupt and the first two solutions could not retrieve that. So we will pick the copy from Microsoft server, which should almost always be correct, and then reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.